Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stuti and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe down below. I would love for you to do that. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much again for all your support on my previous videos. Today's video is talking all about this little beauty. It's called the Jacquemus Le Chiquito bag. I hope I'm saying that right. But this is from the spring 2022 collection. I bought this bag before a few months and I have styled it now multiple different ways, from casual to even dressier nighttime outfits. I also took it on 2 vacations, so I thought this would be like a perfect review for all of you guys who are considering buying this bag. So this is my first ever Jacquemus bag, and actually I loved the mini bags when they first came out a few summers back, and if you guys might remember, they were all the hype the past few summers and springs. But to be honest, those were not like super practical for me because the minis, I could not even fit like my card holder or my keys in it. And so when I first saw that for this 2022 spring summer collection, they actually brought out the longer version of the Le Chiquito bags, I was really interested in buying one of these. I got this bag in the color green, as you can see, because first of all, I love the color green, and second, I wanted to get this in a fun color because this is not my everyday bag. I plan to use it more so for dinners, when I wanted to add some color to my casual outfits, or on vacations. So for me, I wanted to get it in a fun color because I already have like a black, beige kind of bags from different brands, and I don't have anything in this color in my collection yet. I'm also going to show you today what actually fits in this bag, because while this is one of the larger bags or the longer bags that Jacquemus makes compared to their minis and their nanos, it does not fit like a whole lot of stuff because of the structure and the way the flap sits on it. So if any of you are considering buying this bag, but you know, like you are somebody who wants to carry a lot of stuff, I really wanted to show you guys what you can actually fit and take with you if you're planning on getting this bag. So looking at the front of the bag, it is a very like minimal design with the branding in the front, and nowhere else on the bag you will see the branding except on the strap. You just have a little branding on the strap, but other than that, it's a very minimal style with the top handle, and it also has 2 magnetic closures on the front, which are actually pretty strong. While you're closing this bag, unless like you hear that click sound, you know that it's not secure enough. So I really like the magnetic closures on this bag because it's quite secure. And then I also love that it comes with the removable adjustable strap, because for me, I don't tend to wear my bags like crossbody. I tend to like bags which are more like top handle or shoulder bags. But this one, I sometimes use it as a crossbody because it sits on the perfect like the perfect spot on my body, and being petite, I love that I can actually adjust the straps because it's so useful, because not a lot of bags, they actually sit on the right place and they go like 2 down off my torso, and I don't like that. So yeah, I really love that they have given this adjustable strap. So let's see what I can actually fit in. So when you first open this bag, that's how it looks from the inside. You can put your card in, or 1 or 2 coins if you have those, in this little space right here for your cards. But let's see what fits in. I first put my phone in. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the size of the phone is actually the size of the bag, so it fits in quite well. Then I have my card holder, because of course I need my cards wherever I go, so I have that in. And then I always have my lipstick and my lip liner or something with me, so that fits. Now as you can see, I can either like put my keys in or like a hand sanitizer or something, but something should be like super thin and not thick. So I'll show you, even when I put my keys in this little space, it might look like my keys, I'll be able to close it. And that's how I kept my keys. Even if I push it down a little bit, Okay, now you might feel just from looking at the top that I'll be able to close this, but let me show you what happens. So now I cannot even close this magnetic closure flap because the bottom has become too thick. Because of the narrow structure of the bag, you actually have to adjust and maneuver the thickness and the items that you put into the bag. So I'll take out my keys and I'll take out my phone because my phone is always in my hand or in my pocket, so I like rarely keep it in the bag. So once I take out my phone out, then you can see I have some space for the keys. Here you go. And now, as you can see the bottom of it, you can keep something really like thin and tiny, maybe like a hand sanitizer which is really tiny, or like your lip liner or something, but you cannot fit something super thick. So now I can easily like close this flap. So for me, since I don't have my phone always in the bag and it's just with me, it really helps to fit in my essentials, and my essentials are usually my lipstick, my keys, and my card holder. So other than that, I don't keep anything in my bags when I take it out for like a night out or for like quick errands. So this is like the perfect size for me for like a night out. But if you are somebody who likes to keep your phone in, make sure that you try to fit in this stuff before you buy this bag and commit to it, because of the structure and how narrow it is at the bottom. You cannot put anything too thick, so you might not be able to fit all your essentials. So as you can see, you cannot fit like a whole lot in this bag, and you kind of have to adjust on what you want to take. So for me, I actually was just planning to use this bag not as my everyday bag, but more so for like a dinner bag, or like running errands like really quick, just with my wallet and few essentials. So for me, this is like really like perfect size for like a small bag. But if you're somebody who is like looking to get a bag and you like to carry a lot of stuff in it, you might not want to go with this one, or like any of the Jacquemus bags per se, because this is one of like the bigger bags that they have. So the other bags are kind of like quite mini and nano sizes. So yeah, but would I actually recommend this bag? I would say yes, because I really love the style of it, and I also love that it is structured, but it is so like streamlined that it does not bump into you while putting your stuff in, and even like when you have other things in your hand. So I really love that how streamlined it is. But because of its like narrow structure and the base of it, you actually cannot fit a lot except your essentials. And I just wanted to get it out there because I know a lot of you might be bothered by it. For me, this is the perfect bag for like going out for dinners, dressing up my casual outfits, adding some color. And even on vacation, I have just taken it for like night outs and dinners, and I have gotten like so many compliments on it. So yeah, I really love this bag and would highly recommend if you're like me and you don't plan to carry a lot of stuff in it. I hope this video helped you to decide on whether you want this bag or not. If you are considering buying this bag, I would tell you this, that if you're considering this color but are a little hesitant, trust me, I never thought I would use it as much as I do, because this green color goes so well with so many of my neutral outfits, and I actually use it more than I ever like planned it or expected to use it. So yeah, if you are planning to buy this bag, I hope this video helped you, and if you have any additional questions, leave them down below. I would be happy to answer them for you. And for those of you who have any of the other Jacquemus bags or this one, let me know how you actually use it and how you like it.